Alright students, so I'm still at Starbucks. If you hear outside noise, I'm sorry about that, but that's the only place where I could record today. Hope you're having a good weekend. Okay, so this is number 2 on the IA review. You're going to put your line down the equal sign as usual, and then each side at a time, you're going to decide if it needs simplification. Like here, I see that I can distribute the 2 into the parentheses, so I'm going to do that first. I'm ignoring this side for now. I'm going to put a post-it there. I'm ignoring that side. And I'm just going to take care of this left side by distributing the 2. So I circle it, put my arrow. 2 times 4x would be 8x. 2 times negative 3 would be negative 6. Nothing happened to the minus 8. It's not part of the multiplication, so I just bring it down. Okay, I still don't care about this side. I'm simplifying this one all the way. After I distribute, then I'm going to ask myself if there are like terms to combine, and in this case there are. The negative 6 and the negative 8 are both constant, so I can put them together. Nothing happens to the 8x. I bring it down. Okay, so same sign, add and keep, right? So they're the same sign, so I'm going to add and keep that negative. Okay, after that I see that I'm simplified all the way on this side, so now I uncover the right. Okay, and this one is simplified all the way. I cannot combine like terms. There's nothing to multiply. It's done. So I just bring it down as is. After this, after both sides are simplified, now I look at the entire thing, both sides left and right. And now I notice that there are x's on both sides. So I need to move one of them. Okay, so this one has an x, this one has an x, and I need to solve for x. So I either need to move the 2 over or the 8 over. Remember, to switch teams, you either add or subtract. So here I'm going to take the 2 over to the other side, and because it's a plus 2, to move it to the other side I have to do the opposite. So minus 2x, and what I do to one side I do to the other, minus 2x. This one zeroes out. I still have the 4 on this side. 8x minus 2x gives me 6x, and the negative 14 is still there. After that, I'm at the party. At the party means that there are only 2 steps to do. Okay, the first one is either to add or subtract, and the second one is to divide. Okay, so that's the party. That's what I mean when I say the party. So here, I'm going to take care of the add or subtract first. Remember, we're solving for x. Our goal is to have x equals by itself. And the 6 and the minus 14 are still there, bothering that x from being alone. So I'm going to take care, again, the first thing you do in a 2-step or the party is to take care of whatever is subtracted or added. So the opposite of minus 14 is plus 14, plus 14. Okay, so this one zeroes out, and I have 6x still remaining. I'm going to circle the x, it's still not alone, and I have 18 on this side. So now, whenever there's a variable and a coefficient together, or a letter and a number together like this, together, that means that they're being multiplied. So the inverse operation is divide. So divided by positive 6 divided by 6. Now x is alone like I wanted it, and 18 divided by 6 is 3. And that is the answer to number 2.